Hello everyone, welcome to APSC Adda. Water Resources, AE Civil, Mechanical, JE Civil pisot itia JE Mechanical post ulaise. Jot ase total 17 post, tare 7ta reserved for women. ST Hills ase 2ta. OBC specifically T tribe aru Adivasi karone eta post. OBC karone 4ta aru open category babe 10ta post. Tare 4ta reserved for women. ST plains aru SC karone kuno reserved post nai. Apunar yate pay scale hobo 14,000 to 70,000 aru grade pay hobo 8,700. Mane total basic to hobo 14,000 plus 8,700 22,700. Tare uport gute salary calculation to hobo. Apply koribo karone apnaluke apscrecruitment.in website tut goi pole tate registration kori laga documents bilak upload kori pole apply koribo pare. Ei website tot apuni ekbar registration to korile hoy. Aru apnaluke next jodi ako kiban apply kore tar karone ako registration to nokorilo hobo directly apply koribo paribo. Itia exam to kenoka type ot hobo. Yate dukhon paper thakibo tate ekhon GS aru ekhon technical hobo. 100 marks or ekhon technical paper hobo aru 100 marks or ekhon GS paper hobo. Tare probable syllabus to amar website apscadda.in ot apnaluke pabo aru logote previous year question paper practice or karone question ityadiu pabo. Aru amar Telegram channel to join hoi lobo pare jot daily current affairs aru technical aru GS duitare questions daily di thaka hoy practice or babe aru logote important information bru di thaka hoy. Link description ot ase. Gotike hokolue nijor prostuti to solai jaok aru all the best. Thank you.